Good morning, world. Today is the 23rd of September. I can't wait to see the fireworks. What did I just saw? A box of fireworks. What are they doing here in the living room? Say.
Later that night.
I can't wait to see fireworks coming out of the backyard to make Saudi National Day very, very funny. Ha 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 ha. I just got to light the firework rockets and then it will start.
Babar, what do you think you're doing?
No guys, I was just checking how much we can use them.
Oh no!
Hey, wait for me, wait for me. No. Cornelius, Pompadour, my son Alexander, help me.
Are you okay, guys? We heard an explosion just now.
It wasn't us. It was Babar who blew up our house.
I think Babar's dead. How about we celebrate Saudi National Day at my house?
Plus, we brought many fireworks to celebrate with.
No. Not fireworks again.
Did I say something wrong?